Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on a 2015 GMC Acadia, updated. Park the vehicle 10 feet from a flat wall and measure headlight centers. Turn on low beams and mark centers with tape, then measure vertical and horizontal offsets from floor and centerline. Use the adjustment screws behind each headlight to align beams to the markings. Recheck both lights and road test at night for final tweaks. Gather a Phillips or flat screwdriver, a tape measure, painter's tape, and a small level before you start. Confirm the vehicle is on level ground and tires are at recommended pressure. Position the vehicle facing a wall and switch on low beams to mark centers. Keep adjustments small and test often, because small turns can change aim significantly. Take your time and get both headlights matching the marked targets for safe night driving. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during garage work and road testing, and it fits cup holders perfectly. I use one whenever I'm adjusting lights or driving at night. Check the description for the link and more deals, and grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Start with the low beams on and cover one headlight so you can adjust the other independently. Use the vertical screw to raise or lower the beam until its cutoff aligns with your wall mark. Then use the horizontal screw to move the beam left or right toward the centerline mark. Uncover and repeat for the opposite side, rechecking both beams together and taking a short night drive to confirm proper alignment and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.